The bank transactions feature in QuickBooks allows you to add transactions and also match transactions already in QuickBooks for your banks and credit cards easily. To post and match the transactions, you want to go to the left on your screen and to Transactions and Bank Transactions. Select the account that you're working on, and then look to see how they come in from QuickBooks. As you can see, QuickBooks does try to guess where transactions should go, and many times they are not correct. So you do want to pay attention to what is automatically matching to, and we always want to have a payee in here. So as we can see, first we have 3 transactions for the same vendor. One, there was a rule set up to put it to rent. We want to add that because that is correct. And then the other ones, we want to put in, so expand on it to put in the vendor name. Type in the Bullfinch Group. If this is the correct category, we will just add it. If it is not, you want to put in the new category. The easy way to figure out where you would put it in the past if you know that it's an existing vendor is to click on Categorization History. And that will give you the history of where things have been posted in the past because the vendor is there. Well, you just click right on that and assign the category and hit Add. It now knew that the Bullfinch Group goes to rent, and we can add it. We could also then set up something on the fly to set up a rule. We can set it up as a rule saying we use the same category all the time. We do not recommend having it automatically add just in case you want to change things. And we can create a rule for that. And that's a way to create the rule on the fly. In another video, we did discuss how to create rules. This next transaction is saying we see a deposit on January 30th already in your QuickBooks file. We do not want to add it because that would duplicate it, and we could then match it. For this next one, we see in the memo that it is ready fresh. We want to put in the vendor. If it is not there, it's ready refresh. So we have ready fresh. If it is not there, we can add it. And we can just add it as a vendor and say what it is for. QuickBooks, once again, was guessing that it's for job expense permits. We want to change this to office supplies and add it. So there are 3 ways to add transactions. One is from rules. One is to add them, putting in the vendor name if it's already in QuickBooks. Posting in the account. And if it's already in and you're not sure, go to Categorization History and confirm the category and hit Add. Now with matching on this, it's saying it found 2 matches. We always want to hover over it to expand it and determine which one is correct. We know that it is this one because it's closer to the date, so matching those. So those are some tips and tricks on how to add transactions from the automatic bank feeds. Once again, I'm Lori Swartz from Siegel Solutions.